So this past weekend we did another round of jumps with the 125th scale RC General Lee. This latest round of jumps was a lot of fun, and I think we nailed these jumps just as well, if not better than last time. We learned a lot doing those last jumps and broke quite a few parts in the process. The motor even broke off of the mount. But hey, it's just parts. I got the car put back together and ready to do some more driving. The biggest change and improvement made for these latest jumps was putting down a wooden board to serve as a path leading up to the ramp rather than the dirt like last time. This made for a much better run up to the ramp, and when the wood was painted, it blends in quite well with the dirt. But the wood doesn't provide much traction, which allows for plenty of wheel spin. Not as easy to accelerate quickly, but it sure looks cool spinning the tires. Now I really want to build a track with wood, as I think the lack of traction would make driving a lot of fun. After this latest round of jumps, the car does have a few additional battle scars, as is expected, but after some cleanup and repairs, it will be ready to drive again. This time we did have a second car on hand for some close-up shots, as some keen eyes may have noticed. One suggestion from the last video was to have the car drive away after landing. While this can be done, assuming the car lands upright, the grass does provide a lot of cushion even if the car can't drive over it. I think what I'll try next time for any driveway shots is I'll do it just like they did in the show and cut to a different shot of the car driving away, since when filming the show the cars were probably not really drivable or screen worthy after the landing, so they just cut to a different shot of the car driving away like nothing happened. It's not cheating, it's just being more accurate to the show, right? I am still working on creating some additional props for future stunts. We did get some good fence smashes, but we need to work on anchoring the outer posts better next time so the fence doesn't just bend and fly away in one piece. These types of videos are always so much fun to make, and I hope you all enjoyed watching these latest jumps half as much as I enjoyed making this video. As always, thank you all very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.